And look at the rock down in there.
Well, I need to start checking my daggone email. I don't get nothing from nobody that's worth nothing, but dadgummit, I got like 300 and something emails in here. Yeah, when our shop, we got 6 big old bay doors, so you're really not inside, but you're inside, and I still...
You're out of the sun.
Yeah, basically, and it's really, you're out of the sun, but you're right in the oven.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Big old metal building. And
yeah. I used to be able to... He ain't gonna hurt them trees. He ain't gonna hurt them trees. He can run over them things if he wants to. Yeah, that's good. That's good. It don't matter.
Level between the lines, front and back, and it weighs 40,000 pounds. So, what it does in 6 months,
You know, who knows?
it's going to go one way or the other.
It ain't going to go very far.
No. But they always do something.
Yeah, give you all the grand tour. We wanted a storm cellar. Really, we wanted a root cellar, but we couldn't find the one we wanted. This company is a local company, and they build these, and these walls are 6 inches thick. The ceiling's 6 inches thick. It's got a vent, and we're gonna do something a little bit different with that. But anyway, we wanted a root / storm cellar, and this is what we came up with. This is actually a 2,000 gallon septic tank that they build. We're going to come in here and paint the walls. Of course, we'll put some shelves in here, what have you. And we've got to finish the top. We'll put some dirt on the top. It's already, they just got it in. It's already 15 degrees cooler in here already. We haven't got the dirt on it yet. But we've been wanting one of these for years. And you got to duck your head when you come out. And so we pulled the trigger, got it, and there it is. That's another piece of the puzzle. That'll be our root. We'll have good root storage and what have you in there once we get it finished. We got to finish out all these sides and everything, put some railroad ties in here. And then we're going to put a roof on the front part of it here. Make kind of a little porch, but we're going to put another door in there as well, I think. So, got a lot of work to do, but hey, another piece to the puzzle. Thank y'all for watching. See you next time.